What is going, GGKUTS fam? It's your boy GG, and I am back, and I'm excited with another video. We did this yard over there last weekend. Stay tuned for the before and after pictures. And guys, when we get to 1,000 subscribers, I got something special to get those subscriber counts up. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, stay tuned for the before and after pictures. Peace. This is how the yard looks before, guys. I want you guys to notice shopping cart, tall grass, vines on the house, on the front windows. If you look here, you see a big pile of bushes and trees and vines hanging off from the house, guys. It's like nature is really trying to claim this house back. We are going to cut a lot of bushes, trim a lot of trees, and most importantly, get this right for the neighbors, guys. So stay tuned. I left my long saw at home, so, but I got it done by any means. You already know what time it is. We're gonna mow this twice to get it lower. Then we'll rake up the clippings. right.
What you trying to do? Sell the property?
No, ma'am.
No?
Just cleaning it up.
Oh.
I'm a UPS driver and I drive out here and I just seen it when I was delivering and I cut yards in the community.
You do?
Yes, ma'am.
How much you charge to cut it?
It's free.
You can't cut mine.
Where yours at?
Right there.
Yeah, I cut it.
You cut it?
Yeah, tomorrow probably.
Okay.
Tomorrow be fine?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I cut
Oh,
it.
you're so nice.
Tomorrow, probably morning, you'll hear me out there.
Okay,
if anything.
that would help me. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Look at God.
See what God did?
Look at God.
I'm telling you so.
I'm telling you, and I just need to follow you on YouTube.
Yeah, and I'll give you my channel.
Okay.
Whenever you see me tomorrow. But stay tuned for that video. Man, it's all about helping people, man. This is what I love to do, man. And it's just a beautiful thing, dude. So we're gonna wrap up this video. And guys, please hit the subscribe button and like button.